Hello. Today I will show you how to fix the issue where Windows 11 keeps changing the power plan automatically. Step 1, reset power plan settings in Control Panel. Open the search menu and type Control Panel. Click to open the Control Panel. In the top right corner, set View By to large icons. Select power options from the list. Click Change Plan Settings next to your selected power plan. Then click Restore Default Settings for this plan. Confirm by clicking Yes. Step 2, run System File Checker SFC to check for corrupted files. Open the search menu again and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. In the command window, type the following command. Press Enter to run the system scan. The scan may take some time, so please be patient. Once the scan is complete, close the command prompt window. Then restart your computer to apply the changes. That's it. Hopefully the issue has been resolved. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.